Then we're going to go down to the channel name, and this is kind of where things get a little interesting. So I'm going to pull the radio out just a little bit, go into the channel name, and right now it's set to parrot for some reason. I'm going to push star to delete that. And basically, this repeater is the W9RIA repeater, and to do letters and numbers, you use the keypad similar to a cell phone. So I push W right here, and it puts a little W. And if I don't want that, I can delete that, and I can push to get a capital W. I push the hash, and then I push the W again, and it'll be capitalized. Then to get a number, I push the hash one more time, and I push the number, and it'll actually show the number on the screen. So then to go back to a capital, I got to push the hash twice. And then I can do IRA, so I push the GHI 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And then to get the R, I'll push the PQR, and then A, I'll just push the 2 once. And then I've now set the alpha tag.